Today I'm going to show you how to take an existing design and turn it into something completely different in just a few minutes. We'll start by rearranging and moving a few elements around, because for this design, we're actually going to reuse most of what's already here. Next, I'm updating the main heading to establish the new theme and give the design a fresh identity. Small changes like this can completely change how a template feels. Just making some space here. I'll also add a supporting line that says, "Let's celebrate together." Little details like these help reinforce the theme and create a more cohesive design. Now it's time to find a new illustration. Since we're creating a tea-themed design, I'm looking for something like a teacup or another graphic that fits the overall style we're going for. The goal isn't just to find a nice illustration. We want something that works well with the rest of the design and helps reinforce the theme. Once we have our main elements in place, I'll spend a little time arranging everything. Good spacing, alignment, and visual balance can make the difference between a design that feels unfinished and one that looks polished and professional. The best part is that you can repeat this exact process again and again. Create matching invitations, signs, games, thank you cards, and more to build a coordinated bundle that's ready to list in your shop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more template design tutorials, digital product ideas, and tips to help you create professional, sell-ready templates faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.